So this is a video about how I fixed my Genie Powermax 1500 model 4062 garage door opener. Two of the three that I have in my garage stopped working within about a week of each other. Just no response, no light. The light on the wall switch was off too. I took the board out and didn't see anything visually wrong with it. I called up Genie and asked if they could give me a schematic, and they said, fat chance, there's no way. And so if you're at that point like I was, wondering if there's something you can do, short story is look at capacitor C806 on that board. More than likely it is bad. That is what was wrong on both of my boards. I use what's called an ESR meter, and what that does is allow you to test capacitors in circuit. You don't have to desolder them from the board. And in this case, there's not that many capacitors on that board, but I had a feeling that would probably be the problem, and it would probably be one of the smaller ones, and sure enough it was. It's a 47 microfarad, 25 volt capacitor, and the ESR measured off the charts compared to what it should be, about 60 instead of 1 ohm. And the other was similar, somewhere around 40 or something like that. So just desolder that, pop in a new one, and you're good to go. I would recommend that if you don't have an ESR meter, after you pull that capacitor C806, that you measure it and see if that actually is the problem. I guess it won't hurt if you replace it, if you do it correctly. But might as well see if that really is the issue. I imagine it's happened to more people than me, just because two of them went out right around the same time and it was the same problem on both. So why did this happen? Honestly, who knows? A lot of people talk about lightning strikes as being a common cause. We did, I believe, this was over a year ago, we did have electrical storms around that time period, I believe, but they didn't go out on the same day. They went out on about a week apart. Other possibilities, maybe it was a bad batch of capacitors that the manufacturer got. And other than that, who knows? But I know that at the time, I didn't want to remedy the situation the way Genie wanted me to, which was to buy new parts, which also involved buying new wall switches. And so we're talking probably upwards of $300 once everything was said and done for the two. And that was doing the work myself, and having 2 or 3 wall switches look different than what they do now. I wasn't too thrilled about that. Another option was to call somebody, and who knows how much that would be. I mean, probably well into the 500s or more. Instead, C806 times 2, about 25 cents. Hopefully you know how to solder, have the soldering iron, get those capacitors. They cost nothing. If you don't have any already, $5 or $6, you can get a pack of them. Doesn't, for an application like this, doesn't really matter. You don't have to get a super high quality capacitor. That's what I used, audio grade, because that's what I had on hand. And now I have 3 working garage doors. So, oh yeah.